Hey, this is Go Via or Go Home. I want to welcome you back to a little bit of a review here. What we've got today is my Athearn ready to roll Go Transit FA units. One of them has been upgraded to DCC lock sound. Got the decoder and the speaker in there. And the other one is just a dummy for now. I'll probably end up putting a motor in it and maybe like a Digitrax decoder. Just I only need sound for one, but just for now, I've got the two of them set up here on the module. Just gonna show you a bit of what we've got going on here. Now I also don't have any of the cars on here, but maybe for photo purposes later on, I'll set some up. But for now, this is what we've got, and here we go. Let's power them up. So the power unit is going to be number 901, and the dummy is 904. Also, the 901, the one with the DCC and sound, has been upgraded with the an LED light compared to the old one. So it's actually, it seems 10 times brighter. I don't know if you can probably see that because of the light behind it, or the light shining in, but just wanted to make sure I had enough light for this. So let's see, let's test out some sounds. So you got your bell, and then you've got your horn, which it's an F2. So basically, you can either press it and release for the quick, or you can hold it down longer. Really neat. Then obviously your couplers. And then there's just a few other sounds. They're all very standard. I haven't really changed anything with them yet. You know, there's like even the crew chatter. It gives it a nice rev when you turn it up a couple of speed steps, and then it takes off after the rev. And then just the idling, and then the power down. Honestly, these are they're pretty hard to find. I really like them. There's apparently another one. I think it's a 900 or a 905, something like that. I don't know. I'm on the hunt for it, but as soon as I find it, I'll let you know. They have a sufficient amount of detail. Something like this here, because they're so clean looking, it's a really nice green that they've got on here. They were definitely painted really well. The only other things that I would probably change on them would be doing an interior and lighting up the number boards, but the number boards are not lit. It's not a huge deal. I'd probably change out the couplers as well, because there is a fair amount of space in between them, and I'd prefer them to be a lot closer. However, this gives me a bigger radius when I'm running the actual trains instead of it just being a straight back and forth here. But yeah, it's they're really nice. They got the Government of Ontario. They've got the fire extinguishers. I believe that's a Union Jack. I might be wrong. And then the nice yellow striping, the safety striping down the side with the giant Go logo on the front, the two-way horn for front and back. And yeah, I really don't have anything negative to say about these, except for the fact that I don't think Athearn's going to be making any more of them. These were released a long time ago, and definitely well overdue for me to obtain them, that's for sure. I think I got them back in December, either November or December, and I'm just getting around to doing a review of them now. But regardless, excellent locos. I will definitely put them to good use once the layout's up and running, and I can't wait to see them with some cars. But in the meantime, I'll definitely be able to enjoy them either way. And let me know what you think. Should I put an engine in the secondary one? I don't feel it's a must, but I'd like to know what you think. So definitely let me know in the comments section below. Tell me what you think of these locos. Have you seen them? Do you find them at your local hobby shop, or do you see them online ever? If you do, you should definitely pick up a pair if you are a fan of Go Transit. But let's just let's power it up again, and we'll take it back. I hope you enjoyed my Go Transit trains here. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. As for me, I've got a train to catch. See you later.